Welcome again to Nairobi. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Brother.
Yes.
And I hope that our work, difficult environment, and that solidarity is not.
Thank you. So, Mr. Prime Minister,